So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So, this morning po, kami po ni Kong Nika, we jointly filed a complaint before the Committee on Ethics against Rep. Wilbert Lee for improper conduct during the budget hearing last September 25. So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So, this morning po, kami po ni Kong Nika, we jointly filed a complaint before the Committee on Ethics against Rep. Wilbert Lee for improper conduct during the budget hearing last September 25. So, ito po yung DOH budget hearing. Kami po ay naging subjects of his acts of aggression nung araw na yun.
Na-mention po doon yung ano po yung recommended ninyo na mag-take sanction against Congressman.
Wala po. Pinapaubaya po namin sa komite kung ano sa tingin nila ang appropriate na penalty.
Sino po kayo amenable for an apology from the Congressman? Kaya tinuloy nyo na yun.
Well, sa aking, on my part, anong petsa na ba ngayon? Ngayon ay October 14. Nangyari po ang incident September 25. Wala pong apology pa po na tinatanggap. Sa pagkakaalam ko po, meron po siyang written letter of apology na sinubmit kay Chairman Elizalde ko bilang Appropriations Committee. I can show you a copy later. May banggit po siya na meron siyang behavior na hindi warranted, and may banggit din siya na it's because of his sense of duty. May ganung banggit. At dahil very passionate lang daw siya sa kanyang adhikain na mabago ang DOH at PhilHealth. Hindi naman po sa pagmamahyabang, pero ako po ay isang health economist. Since 1991, I've been also advocating for health sector reforms. Ako po yung research assistant para po sa batas ng pag-create ng PhilHealth. At my PhD dissertation was about PhilHealth. Marami po akong international publications at makikita niyo po lahat yan sa Google Scholar on PhilHealth. Ako po ay naging full professor sa UP dahil sa aking publications on PhilHealth. Ako po ay naging professorial chair ng Dutch Royal Family dahil sa aking work sa PhilHealth. So sa totoo lang po, hindi po kami nagkakalayo ni Rep. Lee sa aming advocacy. Magkakampi po kami sa aming sense of duty, pero kailanman po, it was never an excuse for me to be violent. So, yun lang po. And I've never received any form of genuine apology. I waited, and I believe I've waited long enough.
Nakarating po sa atin ang pag-file ng ethics complaint laban sa akin. Iginagalang po natin ito bilang karapatan ng ating mga kapwa mambabatas. Pero linawin ko lang po, hindi ko kailanman magiging intensyon na manakit o mambuli kahit kanino, kahit sino man. Wala rin sa intensyon ko na hindi respetuhin ng Kongreso.
And Mr. Speaker, having no more members of the minority...
Mr.
Mr. Speaker, we join the minority in their motion to terminate the period of debate. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Kanya na ba
Joint
ang
motion to
nangyayari ngayon
terminate
dito sa atin?
interpolation of the proposed budget of the Department
No.
of Health. Is there any objection? The chair
Sir,
hears
have a
none.
motion ruling,
Let
please.
me question the
Interpolations of the proposed budget of the Department of Health is hereby
Let me
terminated.
question the forum, Mr.
Mr.
Speaker.
Speaker.
Suspended.
Mr. Speaker.
Akin pong naging aksyon ay bunga ng ating matinding kagustuhan na matugunan na ang kulang-kulang at napakamahal na mga benepisyong pagkalusugan na isiniwalat natin noong nakarang taon pa at mahigit isang dekadang hindi inaksyonan ng DOH at PhilHealth. Nito nga pong nakaraang budget deliberations, nagtagumpay tayo sa pagkuha ng commitment ng DOH at PhilHealth na ipatupad ang mga dagdag na serbisyong pangkalusugan bago matapos ang taon.